advanced forms in Microsoft Access. What will you learn? In this lesson, you're going to learn how to view which subjects each student is studying by using forms and subforms. We already have 3 tables in our database: students, subjects, and school. The students table lists our learners, subjects contains all subjects taught, and school links them together. Our goal today is to make a single form that brings all of this together. The main form will show student information. The subform will show their subjects. Let's pause for a moment to understand how these 2 forms get their data. The top part, the main form, shows all the students enrolled in the school. At the moment, there are 4 students, and Maria is one of them. The smaller form, known as the subform, shows the subjects chosen by each student. In our case, Maria has chosen Maths and English. All this information is stored in the table School. This table may be considered the heart of the database because it brings all the information together in one place. Now let's go ahead and create this form. Go to the Create ribbon at the top and choose Form Wizard. In the first drop-down list, select Students, since this will be our main form. Double-click the fields Student Name, Student Surname, and Date of Birth to move them to the right-hand box. We'll skip Student ID because Access adds numbers to this field automatically. Now let's tell Access that we also want to include the subjects at school. This information, that is, the subjects which each student is studying, may be found in the school table. From the same window, open the drop-down again and choose the school table. Double-click Subject ID to move it to the right-hand box. Click Next. Access now asks how we want to structure our form. Since we want to show the students in the main form and the chosen subjects in the subform, we will select By Students. Click Next again. For the layout, select Tabular, so that we can view all information clearly on screen. Let's name our forms using good naming conventions: form student subjects and subform student subjects. Click Finish. Access now opens both forms in one window. At the top, we can see the student details: name, surname, and date of birth. Below that, we have a table showing the subjects for that student. At the bottom, we can navigate between students using the buttons as usual. But at the moment, the subform only shows numbers and not the subject names. Let's fix that next. To edit the structure of our subform, right-click on its name in the navigation pane and select Design View. We'll now replace that plain number field with a combo box. A combo box lets us select the subject name from a list. This makes the form user-friendly while still maintaining data integrity. First, let's delete the text box and then, on the Design ribbon, click Combo Box and add it to the form. As soon as you do that, the Combo Box wizard appears. Choose the option that says, I want the combo box to get the values from another table or query. This is because we want the combo box to be filled with the list of subjects offered at school. Select subjects as the table to get the values from. We are choosing the subject table because it is this table that converts the IDs into subject names. Double-click subject name to add it to the list of displayed fields. Let's sort the list alphabetically by subject. Click Next and choose Hide Key Column, recommended. That way, we will only see the subject names, not the ID numbers. Click Next, then Finish. Finally, in the property sheet, under Data, Control Source, select Subject ID. This means that when the user selects a subject, Access will take its ID and store it in the school table. Let's make our form look better. Still in Design View, widen the combo box if it's too narrow so the full subject names fit nicely. Let's add a label with the title Subjects Chosen. We can adjust the size and color so that it is user-friendly. Finally, if needed, drag the bottom of the detail section upward to remove empty space. When you're happy with the layout, save your work by pressing Ctrl and S or clicking the Save icon. Now let's switch to Form View to test everything. Use the navigation buttons at the very bottom to move through the students. Each student record now shows a list of their subjects underneath. Now let's say we are adding a new subject to our curriculum. We'll add it by using the Subjects form. We're adding Geography. Luca would like to study this subject. Let's go to the form we just created and simply search for the student and assign Geography to him. Remember that Access is saving all this data in the form of numbers. Before we finish, let's tidy up the main form too. Right-click anywhere on the main form and choose Design View. You can widen the text boxes for student name or student surname, align the labels neatly, and adjust the spacing. Remember to keep everything readable but compact. That makes the form look professional. Save your changes once again. You've learned how to view and add the subjects that students study at their school by using forms and subforms.
Save the file on your desktop and upload it to OneDrive or Google Drive. Remember to write finished or incomplete at the end of the file name. Also, consider adding your initials at the end of the file name so you can find your own work easily.